I'm with Casey, who's done this crossing 3 times. This could be her 4th, but she's more than just a crossing hero. She's been involved at a very base fundamental level for a while. Casey, tell us your story. Why are you here today, and what are we going to do in the next couple of weeks?
Yeah, so today here we are packing everything that is going over to Bimini. We have all of our volunteers helping us load up everything from supplies for our check-in table to hydro bikes for some of our participants. It's a Celsius to keep everyone fueled, all that fun stuff. So yeah, we're packing up today. I'm the Director of Operations and Programs for Piper's Angels Foundation and for the crossing. And I've also been the Director of Mentorship for the crossing, meaning that I help to train all of our paddlers, to train our mentors to help support our paddlers to make sure that they have a fun and successful journey and that they have the best time ever, because this is such an amazing event all around. It's not just about the paddle. If you do the crossing, you'll know that it's everything that goes into the journey before, while you're there, all the inspiration that you're filled with. And then the paddle itself. That's the fun part, the challenging part too. But yeah, so I'm going on my 4th crossing journey this year. It's been fun to work the event, but also to paddle in the event. This year, I'm really focused on production and seeing how things play out this year. And it's really fun to see all of our new participants and the excitement with all of them. So I'm excited for that too.
In total agreement. Casey, thanks very much for joining me here. We'll see lots more of you in the next days and weeks to come. And let's have fun with this.
Yeah.
All right.
Always.
All right. This is Rick with Yachting International Radio's Yachting USA. Until next time, we're out of here.